In the first quarter of 2025, the International Sustainability Standards Board published a guide to help companies disclose climate-related information in line with IFRS standards S1 and S2. Europe intensified its regulatory agenda with key new measures on sustainability, artificial intelligence, and risk management. In sustainability, key developments include the EBA's publication of final guidelines on ESG risk management and a public consultation on its draft guidelines for ESG scenario analysis. Also, the European Commission proposed the Omnibus legislation simplification package, aiming to reduce sustainability-related requirements, especially those related to disclosure. In the digital sphere, the Commission's guideline on the definition of artificial intelligence systems and on prohibited practices under the AI regulation provide legal and operational clarity. In addition, EIOPA launched a consultation on AI governance and risk management in the insurance sector. On a local level, Spain began transposing the Recovery and Resolution and Solvency II directives, while the UK delayed implementing Basel 3.1 until January 2027. In the Americas, the US Senate issued the Protect USA bill, designed to prevent companies that are key to national interest from having to comply with foreign sustainability regulations. In Peru, the SBS was particularly active, issuing several regulatory projects related to IFRS 9 adoption, anti-money laundering and anti-terrorist financing measures, market conduct, transactional operations, and the consolidated supervision of conglomerates.